welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this summer inspired super beachy type look. It is kind of like bringing me Hawaiian vibes for some reason. I'm also going to be trying out my new Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and I'm super excited because I just got this palette and I love the colors in it. They're so beautiful. You guys have to get it. They're so pigmented. They just work so good. They're so easy to blend, blah 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 blah. I could go on and on. And I also wanted to share with you guys who watched my last video about me getting ready for my job interview, and I actually did get the job. I'm the new counter manager at Yonkers for Estee Lauder, and I'm so excited. This is gonna be such a fun job. I know that I'm gonna love it. The pay is great. So shout out to Yonkers for that. I just want to express how thankful I am to be given this opportunity, and thank you guys so much for watching. Alright guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera. I'm just gonna go in with my MAC paint pot and prime my eyelids, and this is in soft ochre, and I'm just using a Vanity Planet brush to do this. And now, like I always do, I'm just gonna go ahead and melt this in with my finger. And my favorite moisturizer at the moment right now is this Glam Glow Water Burst one. I am literally obsessed with it. It's my second one that I've gotten. It's the only thing that doesn't make my skin super dry and like to the point where it flakes off. It says it moisturizes your face for 72 hours. Like, I believe that claim. So happy with it, and it's my baby. So to set my primer, I'm just gonna go in with S'more, this light white shade right here for my Tartlette Toasted palette, and put that all over my eye. I love putting an eyeshadow over my base before I start blending because it's gonna make your colors blend out even better and easier. I know some people don't do this step, which, like, that's totally fine. Myself, I could not go without it because it just blends so much easier and so much prettier. So I just got the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and I'm super obsessed with all the colors in here. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just really excited to play with them today. I really am eyeing this red right there, and I'm probably gonna just go for like a reddish look. This shimmery red, it is absolutely to die for. It is so pretty. It's almost like an orangey red, and so is the matte red. And I'm just gonna go for a look using those today. First, I'm going in with this shade right here just as my transition shade. It's just a light brown, and I'm using my Morphe blending brush for this. I'm just gonna put that all in my crease. These palettes are so nice, and they're reasonably priced too. Like, this one was probably only, I think it was $25. It's somewhere around that range. Super affordable, and they blend out so nicely. The colors are so pigmented themselves. So now that I have her blended in, I actually decided that I'm gonna go in with, instead of that red shimmer, I'm going in with this orange shimmer right here, which is also very beautiful. So the next color that I'm going in with is going to be this orange, sort of burnt orange color. I'm just going to be using another Morphe blending brush for this. Now I'm going to dip into the red. Excuse me. I'm living for this red. It looks so beautiful. Wow. Now I'm just going to go in with a little more of this orange that I used before with a cleaner Morphe blending brush. Go over that red so it blends it really nice. Not like on top of the red, but like over the lines where the red ends. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here and put that on my outer corners, and I'm just going to be using a more precise Morphe blending brush to do that. Put it lightly in the outer corner just to give it some more dimension. And now I'm just taking some more of this red so it doesn't get lost after I put in that dark color. Alright, so now I'm going to cut my crease 3/4 of the way in using my MAC paint pot. And when I cut my crease, I like going a little bit above my natural crease because it just makes a really big eyelid effect. So now after I cut my crease, I'm going in with this orange this shimmery one right there. It's so beautiful. And to do that, I'm just using a flat shader brush by Morphe. And she's pigmented as fuck. And just because I'm extra as fuck, I'm gonna even wet my brush with my MAC Fix Plus. And I'm gonna get some more shimmer. Ooh, she's looking gorgeous. They look really pretty. And I also want to apologize for my hair. She's still drying. She just got out of the shower. Oh, whatever. Now for liner, I'm taking my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black and just giving myself a wing. So when I do the Kat Von D Trooper eyeliner, I don't go in all the way just because it really isn't that pigmented, and it seems to dry out really fast when I put it on my eyes. So then that's why I like to go in with my Tarteist liquid liner, double duty liner, and go over, like, this is my fucking holy grail liquid liner right here. I don't know why I just don't use this, but I feel like it just makes it more black, you know, if you go in with two different ones. And the wing is looking on fleek. And she fucked up. I was just so confident and so excited. I just got carried away. What? A las 7:30.
No, 7. No vamos a ir 7:30. Estás loca tú.
So the wings are looking good. So I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm just gonna put on my primer while my lashes are drying. And I'm just using my Fenty Beauty Primer to do that. I'm now putting on my Cover FX Blurring Primer. And now I'm putting on my Smashbox Photo Finish Color Corrector in green. Now I'm putting on my first eyelash, and I'm just gonna do this off camera. Okay, now I'm gonna color correct with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid. And I'm actually loving this huge beauty blender. Like, it's so big, it can get like areas so fast. And it's just so efficient. I'm now color correcting in my Urban Decay Color Correcting Fluid in pink. So I'm just gonna do my regular mix, my Huda Beauty and Cheesecake, my Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Foundation, my Too Faced Born This Way in Golden, and my Cover FX Custom Enhancing Drops in Moonlight. And of course, it's way darker than my actual skin tone, but that's because we get spray tans. I used to always tan, like in a tanning bed. I finally just realized, you know, this is so bad for my skin. I'm gonna be getting like wrinkles before I'm fucking 30, and my skin really has gotten better. Yes, I'm a spray tan bitch. Now that the foundation is on, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Mink and carve out our face. I'm just gonna blend her out with the beauty blender. Now I'm gonna take my Kat Von D number 10 brush and blend this nose contour out a little bit. But what I like to do is just like leave it there, but just a little blended. And then I go over with my concealer, and I blend it in with the concealer, so it just looks a lot more natural when I do that. And then just go on the sides of your nose, so you really blend that bitch out. Carve her out, carve her sister out, and now we blend. This Tarte Amazonian Clay Press Finishing Powder. And just put that all over my face, and I'm just gonna be using this Tarte foundation brush to do that. Alright, bitches, we're getting there, we're getting there. Now I'm gonna bake with my Dermablend setting powder in Original, aka Translucent. For some reason I wasn't recording, so I'm going in for my under eyes with the orange that we used earlier. And now we're gonna go in with that beautiful red, and then just a little bit of that dark brown, but I'm just gonna put that very close to my waterline, and that just gives the eye some more dimension. Okay, and for mascara, I'm going in with my Tarte Camera Lashes like always. So now I'm gonna go in with my blush. I'm gonna be using my blush kit, and I'm actually gonna go in with the color Coastline. this orangey color right here. This is a really pretty color. For highlight, I'm going in with my Shimmering Skin Perfector Mineral Blush Champagne Splits. So I'm going in with Champagne. Now I'm just gonna spray my face with my MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going in with Opal from the Skia Press palette, this highlighting shade right there. Now for lips, I'm going in with this Venezia Stila lipstick. It's just like a orangish shade, a really actually bright orange shade. Bitch. I'm super impressed with how this look turned out. I think it looks so good. And just want to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I hope you guys liked this makeup look. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye!